Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. So students, first of all, a belated Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you all have enjoyed your winter vacations. Okay, so now it's time to get back to your studies as soon you are going to have your final exams. Okay, so let's get started. Class 5th, we will continue chapter number 9, that is your geometry, and today we are starting your topic angles. Now what is an angle? An angle is a figure formed by two rays having same initial point. So what is an angle? That angle is a figure. I have drawn over here that formed by two rays. Two rays I have drawn. One is OA and another one is OB. Okay, having same initial point. Initial means starting point. So what is the starting point? This is O. Okay, so here the angle is forming. Clear? So angle is a figure formed by two rays. One is your OA and another one is your OB, having same initial point or starting point, that is O. Okay, now this point O is said to be vertex of an angle. Clear? This point O is said to be vertex. Okay, from where both the rays are starting, or the initial point. Now the rays, these OA and OB, are said to be arms, or we said them arms or sides of an angles. You say that you can say them arms, sides, or legs also, but in journal we used to say them sides. Okay, so in this figure we have a vertex O and two sides, that is OA and OB. Clear? Now we use a symbol this. Okay, this symbol is used to denote an angle. Okay, now how you are going to name this angle? Angle is named as AOB. You will write as angle AOB, or you can name it as angle BOA. Clear? AOB or BOA. Both are correct, but you have to keep one thing in mind, that either you are writing in this way or in this way. In both the ways, you have to write the vertex, this vertex O, in middle. Why? Because the angle is forming at O. That's why you have to write this vertex in middle. If you will write it as angle ABO, so this is wrong, because and B, if you are writing B in middle, it means the angle should form at B, but you can see that there is no angle forming at B, so this way of writing is wrong. Okay, you will write AOB or write BOA, keeping in mind that the vertex should be written in middle. Clear? There are some another way also of naming an angle. Another one is just writing a capital letter over here, so this angle will be named as angle P. Okay, any capital letter you can use, or what you can do, you can write a small letter like this over here. You can write X, you can write small p, then you will be naming it as angle P. Clear? Or you can write any numerical value. For example, you can write 2, so you will write angle 2. Okay, so these are also a way of representing an angle. Next, we are having interior and exterior of an angle. Okay, so as the name indicate, interior means inside and exterior means outside. So for understanding this, I have drawn an angle over here. Now how you are going to name it? I told you will name it as, first you will draw a symbol of angle, and then you have to keep this vertex. Now this vertex is at B. So the name of this angle will be angle ABC or angle CBA. For our convenience, I am using it as angle ABC. The only thing which you have to keep in mind, that your vertex should be in the middle. Okay, so your angle ABC. Clear? Now what is interior? Interior means this portion. Okay, the portion which lies inside the angle. Okay, this much portion is covered by your angle. So this is known as your interior of angle ABC. Now what is your exterior? Exterior means, I told you that this all we draw on a plane. Okay, so the region which is outside these angle. Okay, so the region which is outside this angle is known as your exterior. Okay, now third is I told you that this is your interior, this is your exterior, but you can see that we have two arms, that is your BC and BA. Okay, now there are some points which lie on your arms BC and BA. So these points are said to lie on the boundary of angle ABC. Clear? This is your interior, the portion which lie inside the angle. This is your exterior, the portion which lies outside your angle. And if the points lies on the arm BC or BA, then they are said to be lie on the boundaries of angle ABC. Clear? Now we will do some questions from your exercise 10.1. So your question number 1 is name the vertex and arms of the following angles. Okay, I am doing E part of it. I have drawn an angle over here. Okay, now first you have to name the vertex. Now what is your vertex? The common endpoint. So you can see the endpoint of ray ED is E and of ray EF is E only. Okay, so what is the common endpoint E? So this is the vertex over here E. So you will write vertex is E. Clear? Now next they have asked you arms of the angles. So these are the arms. I told you this one and this one. So you will write arms are, first one is your ED. So you will write ED and a symbol of ray. Okay, why I have written ED not DE? Because the starting point is E and it's going towards D. So your arms are ED and EF. EF. Clear? Now your next question is name the angles in 4 different ways. Okay, so I'm doing first part of it. I have drawn an angle over here. I told you how you have to name it. The first way is to name it as angle CAB. I told you the only thing which you have to keep in mind is that your vertex should be in middle. So your first way is angle CAB. Clear? Second is angle BAC. Angle BAC. You can see that in both the cases, in both the names, I have written the vertex in middle. Okay, if you will write it as angle ABC, then it is wrong. Okay, you have to keep the vertex in middle. So I have written the name in 2 ways. Third is, I told you that this is your angle 1, so you can write angle 1, or simple, the angle is forming at point A, so you will write angle A. Clear? Now question number 3 is draw an angle of the following description. So what they have given you, they have given you the name of an angle, that the angle name should be angle HIJ. So first of all, what you will do, first you will draw an angle, that it is your choice, you want to draw it like this or you want to draw it like this, that is your choice. Okay, I have drawn it like this. Now what they have named angle, angle HIJ. Now you can see that I is in middle. It means I should be the vertex of the angle. So you will write I over here. Clear? Now first is your H and the last one is your J. Now it depends on you. You want to write H here, you can write H here and J over here, or you can turn. You can write J over here, H over here. Both are same. The only thing which you have to keep in mind, that this I should be written in the vertex. Okay, and suppose they have given you that draw an angle 2. So what you have to do, you have to draw an angle and then name it like angle 2. Clear?